Hello, Homo sapiens. Have you ever wondered what happens to a human's body after they die? Well, I'm here to become a forensic anthropologist and answer that question for you. First, let's go to a body farm. A body farm is a place where human decomposition is studied. How do people study it? Well, first they simulate a variety of environments, like out in an open field, in a shallow grave, underwater, and many others. Then they place a body there and cover it with a mesh so that scavengers can't get to it, and they let it decompose. They watch and observe the changes that happen. From these body farms, we have learned a lot about human decomposition. We now know that there are distinct phases. It starts with cell autolysis. Cell autolysis is caused by the bursting of lysosomes. Lysosomes are tiny pockets of acidic material that's inside almost every cell. And these lysosomes burst when cell acidity levels increase when the heart stops beating. This causes the cell to disintegrate and causes perforations in the linings of multiple organs. This causes fluids to leak out and bacteria to be able to access all the body. After cell autolysis, three things happen. The first of which is rigor mortis. This is when the body begins cooling down because the cells stop producing heat. Also, the blood stops moving and stops moving heat around the body. This will cause the person to feel cold to the touch. Then after that happens, because the heart is not moving blood anymore, the blood will begin cooling down to the bottom parts of your body. This is known as livor mortis. It will cause the body to appear bluish and more pale. Lastly is rigor mortis. You probably know what rigor mortis is. It's when a person's body begins to stiffen up. This happens because muscles in the human body actually require energy to relax. So without the energy coming from the cells, the muscles are stiffened. This lasts for around 2 days after death. After that, the microbes in your body begin to break down your fats, your tissue, and your muscles. And this causes the buildup of multiple gases, such as hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen itself, and other natural gases. This causes something known as bloat. It's when dead bodies begin to blow up like a balloon. And if these gases exceed high enough pressures, it may burst open the skin, causing the innards to come out. Finally, the physical decay starts to set in. From flies, from scavengers. If the body is just left out in the open, then lots of insects and animals will begin feasting on the corpse, accelerating its decomposition. However, if the body is placed in special conditions, such as extreme cold or is dehydrated fast enough, then it will enter a state known as mummification. Mummification is when a person's corpse stops decomposing because it has lost all of its moisture. And this will result in a yellowish tint and dry, flaky skin. There are also other environmental factors that can change the rate of decomposition, such as acidity and humidity. For example, bodies that are buried deeper in the ground, where it's less humid, will decompose slower. And bodies that are left out in the open, especially in the tropical regions and the equator, they will decompose the fastest, because that's where humidity is the highest. And thank you for watching. Goodbye!